If you're using Zoom for meetings or webinars and you're recording them and you want to edit them later, you might actually find it really useful to be able to record each of the speakers separately. That's the audio. That way, if someone's forgotten to mute or there's some background noise coming from someone, you can easily edit that out when you actually go and do your video editing. And it's really easy to set up. All you have to do is go to your settings in the top right-hand corner here. That's that little icon there. And when you get to your settings here, all you have to do is go to recording and tick this box here. That's off, that's on. That's record a separate audio file for each participant. And as you can see, I've got that switched on by default every time. I'm going to show you where that goes in just a moment. Something else you might find useful here is this optimized for third-party video editor. So if you are editing and you're using something like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, iMovie, whatever it is, you might find that when you're editing, sometimes the playhead on the timeline is not keeping up with you. By ticking this box, it gives you a bigger file, and basically it's much better for the video editing software because it doesn't have to do any decompressing, because the unoptimized version, if you like, is all very compressed. Okay, it's a bigger file, but actually you do get better quality as well. So with those switched on, let me just close this. Where does it go? Well, it goes into the folder where your recordings are. Now I'm on a Mac, but it puts it into the same folder on Windows. Let's go and have a look at one. So here I am. This is my Zoom folder here, and you can see there's the audio only, which is everyone mixed together. And then there's a folder here called Audio Record. Click on it and you'll see it's recorded both of the speakers here. And if you've got lots and lots of speakers, you end up with lots of different files. And the name that they used appears here as well. So it's easy to identify who they are. So there you have it. That's how you can easily record each individual speaker separately, which makes it a lot easier for editing later. If you like this, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.